Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 15 and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time and then swipe up to turn off your device. When the phone turns off, again hold power button and volume up at the same time. And let go of the power button when you see the Mi logo on the screen. As you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. So in here, you will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options and power button to confirm whatever is selected. And we have things like reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which consists of just factory reset of the device. Then we got connected to Mi Assistant, which is an application, and restore system. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option and then select reboot to system. So I'm just going to confirm that second time. And like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.